Salutations, thanks for tuning in my video. I'm Clark, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use an app like Audiobus 3 to route a Midi signal using Bluetooth Midi. In the last video, in part 1 of this series with the CME Widi Masters, I showed you that you can use two of these and they'll connect together wirelessly, automatically, without any third-party app or a Midi host like Audiobus 3 for iOS. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Audiobus 3 to not only send Midi from the Jet Micro eventually to the HX Stomp, but also the Morningstar MC6 Mark I to the HX Stomp. Why that would be something you might consider is this pedal board can be in one part of the stage and this device can be in the other part of the stage within a certain distance, of course, and they both can still control the same device. Starting off, the Midi out of the HX Stomp is not plugged in, and these two Midi devices are not plugged into the Midi controllers. It's also worth mentioning that plugging in the devices one at a time and establishing connections within Audiobus is extremely crucial to getting all this to work. So I've got the same two Widi Masters from the last video, and this is the BM801 Bluetooth Midi from Amazon. Now this is this is Bluetooth 4.0, so everything will be pretty much downgraded from Bluetooth 5.0, which is what the Widi Masters are, to Bluetooth 4.0. So I'm going to start off plugging the Midi out into the Morningstar MC6. It's going to be one of the inputs. Here to Bluetooth connections, and it's showing up here at the top not connected, so we're going to connect to it. There you go. And there it is. So now this is sending information out to the iPad, but there's no place for it to go. There's no place at all for it to go. So now I'm going to connect the first Widi Master to the HX Stomp. The MIDI end's already plugged in there. Then I'm going to select this button, Bluetooth connections. The Widi Master showed up, so let's select that. And let's select Widi Master. So now, you'll notice it's on snapshot 2. Now it's on snapshot 1, snapshot 3, and here's the tuner. I can also change my foot switch modes. So now this can be on another part of the stage and still connect the HX Stomp or whatever device you have it plugged into. But I also want this to control that as well. So let's plug in this Widi Master into the Midi out of the Jet Micro. And we need another control device, so let's hit plus, Bluetooth connections. Now this other Widi Master is showing up here, so let's connect that. Now Widi Master Bluetooth 2. And now both of these are connected to be able to control this. So this can still control here. Now this one can still control it as well. You see it switched to snapshot 1, snapshot 2. So that's how you do it. That's how you connect two MIDI controllers to control one device using Audiobus 3. This can be at one part of the stage. This can be on another. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.